Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the rewards that you can get from claiming the acorns when your Chubby Chipmunk eats a food in Great Garden. So here under, there's like a section, like a question mark here on the free chipmunk sign. And you'll see all the passive rewards. You can get watering cans, event lantern, scholarly sprinkler, legendary egg, reclaimer, nutty crate, silver fertilizer, nutty chest, master sprinkler, medium treat, medium toy, mythical egg, nutty chest, like 2 times nutty chest, grandmaster sprinkler, rainbow fertilizer, and pet shard nutty. So far I have not gotten the rainbow and the shard, I think, the nutty shard. But yeah, those are the rewards you can get from claiming the acorns. Honestly, I'm gonna say it is a little bit tedious because you cannot go AFK on this event at all. You have to kind of be here to claim the acorns and enable the nutty fever. Yeah, so that is pretty much it really for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.